Alright, what's going on? This is Austin from earlier. Cynthia, hope you're doing well. Hope you had a good Monday, and I hope you get this out to Richard. So with that being said, let me get started. Here's y'all's website right here, Marshall Air Conditioning. So it's not horrible. Only thing is there's not enough content on this website, right? So with that being said, Google's not going to rank you on the top page due to there's not enough keywords, there's just not enough content in general, not enough words that you want to put on here, a lot of pictures. So let me give you some sites that are ranking above you on the top page. One of them is 1 hour air conditioning heating, right? So they have your services, everything that they can do right here. Now see with this page, they have a lot of content on their homepage. Contact, everything they do, what they're about, a couple of pictures here and there. You go to the bottom, right? You can always see what they're promoting on when it comes to social media as well, what cars they take, everything else, okay? Now, to get a little bit more detailed, this is their rank. So UR is going to be strength, okay? The DR is going to be the popularity right here. They're very popular because they're running ads the right way and they're also using SEO the right way, okay? Their backlinks are at 524, which means they have 524 different backlinks from other sites. Whenever you click on it, ranking and going back to their site, okay? They have 41 referring domains, which could be a little bit better. They have 142 organic keywords, right? The keywords are key because you want those same keywords that you're searching for when it comes to AC repair, AC services, anything like that, to pop up, okay? Organic traffic's a little bit more, a little bit higher, and same with their traffic value, okay? Let's look at another site that's up there is Hopkins, okay? So Hopkins Air Conditioning, they are ranked on the top page as well. It's a little outdated, but they've been in business for a while, okay? All the different areas they operate in, which is awesome. Contact list too. They also have what they, what social media content they have as well. Okay, so let's take a look at their stuff. This strength, popularity could be a little bit better. Now here's the trick: 330 backlinks, right? Referring domains could be a little bit better. They have a lot of organic keywords. Organic traffic could be better. The traffic value is up. Okay. That's what we're looking for, right? And you kind of look at when they peaked and then kind of what's been going on right there with their firm domains, right? Domain rating, their backlinks. So in 2016, they really picked up, right? They took off, okay? And then, of course, we have right here, it's going to be Premier, Comfort AC. Now, they do it all. AC repair, AC replacement, AC maintenance, indoor air quality, water heaters. And then they have this right here, which is Contact, which is kind of like a live chat, which is awesome. It's a great operating system to have on your page. You can get in contact with somebody immediately. That's what you want to really look for right there on your page. Yeah, and it's built and has a good amount of content. So content and keywords are very important. So let's go ahead and look at their ranking. So strength, 31. Popularity, could be better. A lot of backlinks, 725. Referring domain, 73 could be better. Now they have a lot of keywords, okay? So the organic keywords is what's really helping them out right there. Putting the right words on the right page. Organic traffic is decent, and then the traffic value, okay? So really the whole point of this is to show you why Google ranks people on the top. And this is going to be you over here, okay? So this is y'all, Air Marshal. Strength is at 7. There's about no popularity at all. You only have 12 backlinks. 3 referring domains, no organic keywords, no organic traffic, and no traffic value, okay? So obviously I can bring a lot more backlinks, more referring domains, organic keywords, organic traffic, and traffic value to your page, which will allow you to rank on the top, and also you'll get more traffic, you get more volume, you get more revenue, and a higher ROI out of that. So with that being said, you can always contact me back at the same number I reached from you earlier, or you can hit me back via email. My name is Austin once again. Look forward to hearing back from y'all.